Welcome back to our Special Blocks tutorial. Click the Categories option, then click the Utilities option. Here you can find various blocks that work a little differently from the traditional blocks we have seen so far. In this video tutorial we will see these two special blocks: the floor block and the interactive cube. Tap the floor block and place it at the base of the stage. Press the escape key to release the ghost tile. Now click on the block and select the warp option. You can modify the size of the floor with this tool. You can also change the color. Bear in mind that in order to change the color, you must first select the block and click on the color palette option, click on the color, and then click on the block you want to modify. The interactive cube works in a similar way. Select and place this block on the stage, now tap the warp option. You can create walls, columns, bases, or give it the use you want. Likewise, you can also change the color. We are waiting for you in the next video tutorial of special blocks.